Hi guys, today I'll be giving you a review about Clovia Botaniqa Anti-Acne Face Wash. So this is Banashri and welcome to my channel Bowtie and Lipsticks. So firstly let me tell you that I have been using Clovia products from quite some time, and yes, their products have been very promising. The quality of the products, be their clothing or skincare, is really up to the mark, and shipping is also hassle free. They have launched their skincare range Clovia Botaniqa, and I was really excited to use their product. When I checked out their website, I saw they had an awesome range of products for all skin types. A one-stop shop for pigmented skin to face serum to anti-acne face wash. As I have acne problems, so I thought let's give this a try. So they have a pump system bottle which is very convenient to use and carry. The quantity of the face wash is 120 ml at a price of 330 rupees. Clovia Botaniqa Anti-Acne Face Wash is made in India and is a natural product with no toxins, paraben or sulfate. This face wash is enriched with organic extracts like tea tree oil, clove oil and vitamin E to control acne and give clearer skin. It works wonders on your skin, removes skin impurities, has antibacterial properties, fights acne bacteria, and you get a smooth and clear skin. The special ingredients in this face wash are tea tree oil, which controls breakouts and gently treats acne. The clove oil that fights acne bacteria reduces redness and swelling. The vitamin E, it helps to reduce inflammation and protects your skin from further damage. I have used this already 2 to 3 times, and now it is more than just a skincare routine for me. It has become like a healing ritual for me. I use it once every week and I totally love how magically this product is working on my skin. And if you want to try it out, you can get it from clovia.com and use my code which is mentioned on the screen and get an additional 20% discount. Clovia Botaniqa products are also available on other websites, but my code would work only on clovia.com. I just love this face wash. You should definitely try this out. So hope you guys really love watching this video and you're surely going to give this a try. So thumbs if you like my video and subscribe if you love my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.